Nowadays I'm very much, I don't know what to do. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
How are you?
Hey,
I gotta find my boat.
hey, bro.
Around here someplace.
You heard me yelling
I
at
think
you.
we took it. Proverbial salami sandwich. Gotta have it. That's the site stuff.
Yeah, so welcome to the 13th Annual Autumn Gales. Thank you all for coming. Our wind forecast is that direction right now. Pretty strong. Anybody know how strong it is? So 20 knots. Is that what you said?
Just off that train point is 20 knots.
We have to feel that on the water. We're on the ebb cycle until probably around 1 o'clock. And that wind's pushing it out. So you get some flow around Napa Tree on the outside of the molars. We call these the ribs, all the piles. There are reefs and would be bigger waves, more tidal waves. Yeah. Would it make sense to work on getting happier in these strong winds in a progressive way this morning? Yeah. I mean, it's part of being a sea kayaker, you have to deal with wind.
That's the breakwater from the east end. There's a group over there already. Nice! Take that one, that's good. There you go! Go for it. Dig, 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 dig. There you go, dig. Nice. guys, we ready to put in? Yeah, come on. start out right in here where we were before, you know, out as far as the pilings there, in here towards the beach. It's much more fun in the water than it is hearing us talk. So the problem here is but this is real. There you go. It's all on video.
That's a nice one. Woohoo! Oh yeah, dude, this is getting nice. Yeah, baby. Just turning on.